When you're facing foundation drainage issues, weeping tile replacement is critical to protecting your home. For more than 3 decades, KC's Plumbing has been the trusted name for weeping tile replacement and plumbing services throughout Greater Vancouver. Homeowners choose us because we deliver fast, reliable, and professional service, the kind you'd confidently recommend to friends and family. Whether your weeping tiles have failed, your basement is showing signs of moisture, or you need preventative maintenance, we're committed to quality workmanship and honest, upfront pricing every step of the way. Our experienced technicians specialize in weeping tile replacement and arrive prepared with the right tools and expertise to protect your foundation and keep your home dry. We treat your property with the same care and respect we'd give our own. Ready to safeguard your home with expert weeping tile replacement? Call 604-873-3753 or visit www.kcplum.ca to book a service call today. KC's Plumbing. Experience you can trust since 1993.